Hello friends, hope everyone is doing fine. So today we will cover another interesting topic, that is retinal detachment or RD. So let's get started. So retinal detachment is the separation of neurosensory retina from the pigment epithelium. Now we already know that retina में 10 layers होती हैं. Outermost is RPE, right? And बाकी के 9 layers makes the neurosensory retina. So these two retina, that is RPE and NSR, that is neurosensory retina, has potential space between them. Okay, and they are loosely attached to each other. So when these two layers get separated, it is termed as RD. सो RD इज़ बेसिकली अ मिसनोमर टर्म, क्योंकि रेटिना नहीं बल्कि रेटिना के जो न्यूरोसेंसरी और पिगमेंटेड एपिथेलियम है वो सेपरेट हो रही है, ना कि रेटिना कहीं से डिटैच हो रही है. सो इट शुड बी कॉल्ड बेसिकली रेटिनल सेपरेशन, लेकिन वी हैव यूजिंग द टर्म रेटिनल डिटैचमेंट हियर. Now, they are classified into 3 types of RD, rhegmatogenous RD, exudative and the tractional. So we will be covering rhegmatogenous RD. सबसे ज़्यादा observed RD है, that means it's very common and that's why it's also known as primary retinal detachment. Okay. So rhegmatogenous RD, which now we will be calling it as RRD, okay, is associated with the retinal break through which SRF seeps and separates the sensory retina from the pigmentary epithelium. So here this regma means break. Okay, so what happens if there is any break, if it's a hole or a tear, तो क्या होता है, इस छेद से vitreous may seep between the subretinal space. Okay, you know that there is a subretinal space between the neurosensory and the pigmented epithelium. So now it will the vitreous will seep into the space and will collect as SRF, that is subretinal fluid. Okay, now because of this fluid क्या होगा, tractional force लगेगा and इसके वजह से there will be separation between them. NSR means neurosensory retina and the pigmented epithelium. Now let's check its risk factor. So first and foremost is age. As the age advances, what happens, that vitreous, which is jelly like, starts to liquefy and it may lead to the PVD. PVD is posterior vitreous detachment, and finally this will lead to the RD. Common in males, yes. Myopia. Myopics are at high risk. Almost 40% of RRD cases में myopics ही होते हैं. So like it is observed in high myopes. Okay, pathological myopia है अगर किसी को, in axial myopia, okay, there we find RRD. Cataract surgery. So because of either pseudophakia or aphakia, we will see a bit in detail, okay, in coming slide. So retinal degeneration. Retinal degeneration, like if there is any kind of lattice present, okay, या फिर कोई टीयर है. And the last one is the trauma, basically observed in the blunt trauma. So myopia. In myopia, let's talk about axial myopia. We know that axial length of eye increases in the myopes, right? Generally what happens, if this is a lens and this is a retina, so light falls on the retina. But since in axial myopia, axial length of the eyeball has increased, okay, so light तो अभी भी यहीं fall कर रही है, but retina has shifted a bit backward, right? So what will happen, retina will start getting detached, not detached, it will start getting stretched, right? And it will start becoming thin. सो अगर आप ये डायग्राम यहाँ पर देखो तो साफ समझ में आ रहा है ये रेटिना कैसे थिन हो रही है यहाँ से. सो नाउ इट मे गेट अ ब्रेक, होल और टीयर. सो अगर SRF यानी सब रेटिनल फ्लूइड आकर इकट्ठा हो जाता है तो RD के चांसेस हो जाती हैं. ओके, सो यस, दिस इज अ लेटिस. ओके, दिस इज अ लेटिस मायोप्स में देखने को मिलता है और इसको सील करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अदरवाइज इट मे लीड टू दी RD. Okay, and the another diagram, this is known as horseshoe tear. Okay, horseshoe tear because of its shape. You know how horseshoe looks, it's something like this, right? So because of its shape it is named as a horseshoe tear. बहुत ही common तरीके का टीयर है जो ऑब्जर्व करने को दिया जाता है. See the shape here, a bit like horseshoe. Yes. In cataract surgery, so especially if you're talking about here when IOL has been implanted, that means अगर pseudophakia के बारे में बात करें, then it's among one of the complications observed. Okay, especially in a case of ICCE, that is intracapsular cataract extraction. But if we talk about aphakic patient or aphakia, so what happens, since vitreous gets support from the lens at the anterior side, right? If this is a lens, this is a retina, so here is a vitreous, right? Here vitreous is present and vitreous is getting a support from this lens from the anterior side. Now if there is no lens, agar lens nahi hoga, so vitreous will now not get that support, vitreous will not get that support and vitreous में movement शुरू हो जाएगी, right? vitreous में movement शुरू हो जाएगी and इस movement के वजह से क्या होगा, this will lead to the PVD. Okay, this will lead to the PVD and finally to the RD. Okay, now trauma. So as we said that it is commonly observed in blunt trauma. So here we come across a term which is called as retinal dialysis. So dialysis stands for like if something gets separated from its root. तो root of retina क्या होती है? That is ora serrata, and obviously it will extend up to the optic disc. Now so if it gets separated from the ora serrata, because ora serrata इसका root है, so it will be termed as a dialysis. See as shown in the diagram कि इसने यह पेरिफेरी से छोड़ना शुरू करा. ठीक है, ये आप देख सकते हैं ये लेयर यहाँ पर है ही नहीं, नीचे आ चुकी है. So this is only what? This is only a dialysis. Okay, retinal dialysis, and which is basically observed in the blunt trauma and it can lead to the RD. So now let's look for the pathogenesis for the this RRD. So you know the risk factors. One is a senile acute posterior vitreous detachment. This is acute PVD. We already know कि aging के साथ में vitreous starts to liquefy. Another one is predisposing retinal degeneration like lattice, which is observed in myopia. Aphakia when there is no lens present, and the trauma, especially the blunt trauma. So these all will lead to the retinal break. Fine. Now the degenerated fluid vitreous seeps through the retinal break and collects as a subretinal fluid. You know it already. We have seen in the definition also. Between the sensory retina and the pigmentary epithelium, and it will finally lead to the retinal detachment. So what is happening here? Like this is a neurosensory retina. There is a space between them, like this one is RPE. Okay, this is a space between these two layers. Now if there is a hole, let me change the color. Now if there is a hole, okay, if there is a hole, what will happen? Vitreous will seep inside, right? And it will get collect into the subretinal space. So what will it cause? It will cause the traction force. ना यहाँ पे traction force लगना शुरू होगा. And since these are loosely attached, so it will start getting separated. So this is what the pathogenesis is. So now what the patient will complain. So now let's see the symptoms. So symptom will be sudden painless loss of vision. Photopsia means flashes of light. So what happens? See, this is because of the movement of the vitreous. Okay, that irritates the retina. Okay, and so the person sees the flashes of light, which is termed as photoopsia. And the floaters means patient complains कि उनके visual field में मक्खी जैसा कुछ नज़र आता है, मक्खी या मच्छर जैसा. Then curtain-like appearance in the visual field. So curtain-like appearance in the sense, since retina is getting separated, okay, so this comes in the front of the visual field. Okay, patient के visual field के एकदम सामने आ जाता है, और you can also say कि black cloud appearance जैसा patient को लगता है. Okay. ओके, सो पेशेंट ने, नाउ पेशेंट हैज़ टोल्ड उसकी क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, हैज़ टोल्ड द सिम्टम्स. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू चेक सेवरल साइंस. तो पहले इफ़ यू जस्ट सी द एक्सटर्नल आई बॉल अगर आप देखो, सो इट विल बी ऑल नॉर्मल, बट अगर प्यूपल पे जाओगे देन RAPD विल बी प्रेजेंट. एंड इफ वी डू द प्लेन मिरर एग्जामिनेशन वी विल फाइंड दैट देयर इज अ अल्टर्ड रेड रिफ्लेक्स. सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिफ्लेक्स इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके. And ophthalmoscopy, we will be doing indirect ophthalmoscopy. Okay, what happens that you'll find that there is a the detached retina is thrown into the folds. Okay, and this will show a motion along with the movement of eyeball. So जैसे जैसे आँख इधर घूमेगी उधर घूमेगी तो हमको इसमें भी मोशन देखने को मिलता है. Then retinal breaks, yeah, it's very necessary to locate the whole tear or dialysis. वैसे दिस इज मोस्ट कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व्ड इन सुप्रा टेम्पोरल क्वाड्रेंट. ओके, सुप्रा टेम्पोरल क्वाड्रेंट, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. मोस्टली कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? सुप्रा टेम्पोरल क्वाड्रेंट पे. देन अनदर वन इज अ शेफर्ड्स साइन. दिस इज एक्चुअली सीन इन द विट्रस. it's a one of the important sign, okay, which is only observed in this RRD. तीनों RD में सिर्फ RRD में देखने को मिलता है, और विट्रस हम देख रहे हैं. सो इनफैक्ट हमको इसमें PVD भी देखने को मिलेगा, दैट इज़ अ पोस्टीरियर विट्रस डिटैचमेंट. ओके, सो नाउ इन फिगर 1 कैन यू सी दैट देर इज़ अ चेंज इन द रिफ्लेक्स. सी, इसका रिफ्लेक्स देखिए एंड इसका रिफ्लेक्स देखिए. सो नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपन्स, वी सी अ काइंड ऑफ रेड रिफ्लेक्स, राइट, जैसे कि इसमें है. बट इन RRD what happens, it gives the gray appearance. Now reflex का color has changed to the gray. Now it's giving the grayish appearance, right? Now in figure 2, so as we said that patient complains of the sudden painless loss of vision. लेकिन अगर कभी कभी उसे समझ में नहीं आता because his vision in another eye was good, तो this RD becomes old. Okay, so in that case we find that there is a pigment. There are pigment present, or you can see, can you see this pigmented area? Okay, which is called as subretinal demarcation line. Okay, subretinal demarcation line, or also the watermarks. इसको watermarks भी कहते हैं. So the watermarks are sign of what? It's a sign of old RD. Okay, now this is figure 3. This is a Shepherd's sign. Okay, जो कि हमको कहाँ देखने को मिल रहा था? हमको विट्रस में देखने को मिल रहा था. सो दे आर नथिंग बट दे आर द विट्रस पिगमेंट. ओके, विट्रस पिगमेंट, एंड सी दे आर लुकिंग like tobacco dusting and all. So that's why the sign is also known as tobacco dusting. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please like, comment and share if you find it informative. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and we'll be back with some more videos. Till the time, keep learning and keep growing.